you and hope you are doing well. Today we are going to play another FIFA matches of national teams and trying to win our third day in a row. Okay, the day before we won $1,000. Yesterday we won $1,000 too, and today we will try to keep that range and win another $1,000. So these are the matches, and this is my application that I use to see statistics. For example, here team form: France lost against France and lost against Spain 2, a draw against Portugal, and won against Belgium, and draw against Poland extra. Okay, and Israel, and also Belgium, and Ukraine, and Romania, also Slovakia. So these are the matches, and from here we got the lineups, and we see the table to see in which place it is, and also head to head to see the previous matches between these teams. Okay, so after that we will go to our application. Okay, so this is our application and we will see this. Okay, so we start with this, but first of all we will convert to the other currency, to the euro. Okay, sorry for the interruption. We will keep ahead. Okay, the first match is Cyprus versus Kosovo. We play this. Total of match will be over 1.5 goals. Okay. The second match is Italy versus Israel. Italy will score at least over 1.5 goals or over 2 goals, which means if they score only 2 goals, you will be refunded. The third match is Norway versus Austria. We play this. Austria will score at least 1 goal. Okay? If they score just 1 goal, you will be refunded. So all what they have to do is to score at least 1 goal. Romania versus Lithuania. We all know the answer, obviously. Slovenia versus Kazakhstan. We will play this. Slovenia will score over 1 goal. Okay? Keep that. It's easy matches, but you should be careful. Turkey versus Iceland. Okay, this is going to be a little risky, but we will play it. Iceland will score at least 1 goal. Okay, Belgium versus France. This match is never end in a draw. You either play it double chance, first or second team will score, or you can play this. France will score at least 1 goal. Okay, Montenegro versus Wales. Wales will score at least 1 goal. And Tonga versus Samoa, El Salvador versus Bonaire, no. And we will go to Africa, Burundi versus Senegal now, and we will play Niger versus Ghana. Ghana will win the match. Okay, we'll go to the next slip and we see all the matches. Please win 3 matches in a ticket. Okay, separate tickets. I intentionally choose 3 tickets and 9 matches in order to make it easy to divide and to separate each ticket contains 3 matches. Okay, if you play it with at least $150, you will get $7,335.28. Okay, take care of yourselves and see you later. Thank you.